Most students don't fail to focus because they are lazy or unintelligent. They fail because their environment is constantly stealing their attention. Video games, short-form reels, and adult content are not addictive by accident. They are designed to target basic human desires. These platforms give a fake sense of accomplishment, keeping you glued to pixels. The pleasure feels real in the moment, but it is temporary. And at the end of the day, a feeling of emptiness often remains. That emptiness exists for a reason. Deep down, you know you could do better. Even if you are aware of these distractions and can see through the traps, you may still struggle if you don't have a clear goal. Another major reason students fail to focus is multitasking. The brain cannot deeply concentrate on multiple demanding tasks at once. Poor sleep and irregular routines silently weaken attention and mental clarity. Focus is not a talent. It is a skill. And like any skill, it can be rebuilt with the right environment and habits. Remember this saying: a focused fool can achieve more than a distracted genius. In future videos, we'll talk about how to fix this calmly and realistically.